A star, a sign of hope, they said. Even in the darkest night, it's always there, always shining. But what good is a star when the world is drowning in shadows?
Still holding on to that thing, Ludwig. You've had it since we left home.
It was the last thing my sister gave me. Said it would remind me of the stars, even when the skies are covered in smoke.
She must have known you'd need it out here. Strange how a little piece of wood can feel heavier than a rifle sometimes.
It's not the wood, Otto. It's everything tied to it. Home, warmth, a world that feels impossibly far from this one. Do you think they feel it too? On the other side of this frozen wasteland, the emptiness, the weight.
They're men like us, aren't they? Probably clutching their own scraps from home, just trying to survive another night.
Then maybe they'll hear it.
Hear what?
The song. If we sing it loud enough, maybe they'll remember too. For a moment, at least.
You and your carols. Always the dreamer.
Dreams are all we have, Otto. And sometimes, they're enough.